Hello everyone, this is Inayat Mir. I am back with my new video. This is not actually a new video. This video was a demand for overseas students. In reality, I made this video last year. I distributed into my students and my fellows only, but this time a lot of demand what I have, and I decided to upload again in my channel. So this is the easy way to transport my videos to students and fellows and colleagues. So this is about a certificate generation, like a self-signed certificate. So this is a pre-recorded video, so I'm just adding audio to explain this. So I will play this as it is, where I am going to use a notepad. That is where you have a command to create a self-signed certificate. So I have actually previously created one certificate with the ending 5C3E, a thumbprint. I am creating a new certificate to do a live demo for system engineers or network engineers or network administrators to follow along this process. So you can do the same process for your local machine. So I am on a local host where I'm going to create this self-signed certificate using a testdomain.com domain name. So first you have to run this command to generate a thumbprint. So I'm using this command. I'm copying from my notepad where I already have this command listed for everyone's convenience. So I will also add these commands under the description, so you can simply go straight in, copy this command and the other command for the password generation, or to assign a password to a certificate. I will do GUI method, graphical user interface, for exporting the certificate. Then I will use this PowerShell command also. So currently I am going to replace the thumbprint from the existing thumbprint to the new thumbprint in my command line. So all you have to do, first you run the command for a self-signed certificate. Then once you have this thumbprint available, you can copy. You have multiple ways to copy. You simply can go and use the common method to create a copy from the PowerShell or the command line. And I'm going to add this thumbprint in my notepad and copying this new thumbprint, and I will go and replace the existing thumbprint. So this is my existing thumbprint for my previous certificate which I have generated, and I'm going to replace this. Now this command is ready to run, and this is a password command. So you have to register the password. This password is capital $PA$W0RD, which basically will be in queue right now, but I will change the password during the export of the certificate, because I want to use a simple password like 123. So now you have to go to Management Console, MMC, Microsoft Management Console, and add your certificate for your computer account. So this will basically have a certificate snap in your local basically computer. Under certificate, you see that we have this certificate. This is not actually in a under certification authority right now. That's why you will see this cross on it. Today is actually July 4, 2025, but I created this video for my students more than a year back, so I had to upload this. So I explained this to everyone before that. This is the reason. So let's go and look at why we have this cross on it, because we need to add the certificate under certification authority. So at the same time, I'm going to export this certificate, so you can note down these all steps to export this certificate. So now I'm going to right click and all tasks, export, and I want to use this as a private key as well. So I want to export with export all extended properties also. This is the standard method. Here I'm going to use a password 123 for now. When I run the certificate export PowerShell command, I want to generate an error to show you that whatever the password you registered previously, that password will work. So anyways, this is the new password, and I'm going to the root drive and C:\\, that is where I'm going to dump this certificate. You can create this certificate with any name you want to. I'm going to create, actually I'm going to change this training.com to test domain, the way I had before, .com. So you can save this, and this actually went under my root drive. Export was successful. Now I'm going to look under my root drive. If I refresh this, no, actually I'm under my profile. I will go back to my local drive, and this is the certificate, but you can see now I can now install this to our local machine. The password is 123. For GUI, I am using the same password here. No generation of any error right now. And I'm going to place under the under the location with the trusted root certification authority. That is where it will actually go, and error should disappear now. The one who has a small cross on the certificate. So this certificate now is good, and you can see that now I can use a PowerShell command. Look at the dates of generating and expiration within 1 year. It is actually expired right now, but this was a demand from several overseas countries. So I have to provide this in this format. So when I upload on YouTube, actually this goes to everyone. I just have to WhatsApp and send a message to all students or all fellows or colleagues who need this. So let's generate one error with this certificate command. Now you are going to export this through the PowerShell. We did export from the MMC console. So through the PowerShell, we are going to export the certificate. First, I am going to copy the way it is with the new certificate thumbprint. Thumbprint is correct, but password is not correct. So for that reason, I want to show you that this will not work. It will generate an error. Yeah, I am going to create this new folder, Cert. Under Cert folder, I am going to basically put this certificate. This is a simple typo, CERT supposed to be, but still I want to see an error because my password is currently registered. Password is capital PA $W0RD, and my certificate has a password 123. So for that reason, we need to register the new password. So let's go back into the notepad, look at that, what password was there and what password was supposed to be here. So this is a basically intentional act. So we can understand that what is the reality and what we're supposed to do. So here capital P A $W0RD. This is a very standard password from Microsoft. We use this password in a lot of Microsoft labs. So currently I'm going to change this. Previously, I had this password for the certificate ending with EC5C3E as a thumbprint. This is ending with a BAAA9C7. So this certificate has a password 123. So once you fix the password, and then you have to run this $pwd variable under the PowerShell. So this password will be registered currently. So I'm going to copy, paste back this password, and all you have to do, just hit enter. This password is registered. Now you can copy and paste this export command, and that export command supposed to put this export under my Cert folder. Because we fixed the password to 123, now it is basically showing that it was successful. We have under Cert a new certificate. So new certificate is here. and now you can actually distribute this to others, or you can, if you didn't have this installed already, you can install onto your local machine. You can actually want to show it to someone, you can show it to someone. You want to send it to someone, you can send it to someone. So technically this was a self-signed certificate method which I showed you. You have seen a lot of my other videos within the past 10 or 12 years. You have a couple of videos with certificate services from old to new, and I explained this all in much details. Here you can see my certificates which I have generated today. Before I was doing some tests on these certificates for self-signed certificate, and now I have these previous certificates available, new certificates available, and I hope you will like this video. And I'm going to pause and stop this video here because the main purpose was to show you how to generate a self-signed certificate and how to export a certificate. I hope you will like this video. I will come back with my other new videos, and I would start again doing the live videos as I usually do, instead of waiting and posting whenever is demand or needed. Thank you. I will talk to you later on. Bye.